we have to simplify the following. First question is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. So, we know children, any number to the power 0 means what is its value? It is equal to 1. So, now I can write this 3 to the power 0 as 1. This in between plus sign I am writing as it is. Now, I have 4 to the power minus 1. So, if I send it to the denominator, it will become a number with positive exponent. So, it will become 4 to the power 1. To the power 1, no need to mention. I will write them separately in bracket and into 2 square as it is. Now, 1 plus 1 by 4 is there. So, you have to take LCM for that. Obviously, LCM is 4. 4 plus 1 in the numerator. Into this 2 square as it is. What is 4 plus 1? It is 5 by 4 into 2 to the power 2 is there. Now, easily you can write 2 square as 4. 4 na cancel maadi is equal to 5 anta you used to write. But in case of law of exponents children, you should everywhere express this in terms of laws. So, what we will do is 5 as it is, 4 we know it is perfect square of 2. That is 4 can be written as 2 square into 2 square. I always said you observe the problems carefully such that whenever you have numbers with same base, group them. 5 into 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2 we got. This is of the form a power m by a power n. It is equal to a to the power m minus n. It will be 5 into 2 to the power 2 minus 2 andre eno. 2 to the power 2 minus 2 is 0. We know any number to the power 0 is 1 andre. It is 5 into 1 which is clearly equal to 5 children. This is how you will solve. Simply you should not cancel off 2 square and 2 square by writing 2 square as 4. You should simplify it by using the law of exponents always. Second question, 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 1 is nothing but 2 to the power plus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 is nothing but 4 to the power plus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2 is there. For now I will write as it is. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is there. To the power 1 it is same. So no need to write power 1. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 into 1 numerator 1. 2 4s are 8. It is 1 by 8 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Now, here I will not write 2 to the power minus 2. Instead, what I will write is, I will write it in terms of positive exponent. Andre, if I send 2 power minus 2 to the denominator, it becomes 2 to the power plus 2. 1 by 8 divided by 2 square I have now. What is 2 square, children? It is nothing but 1 by 4, isn't it? Now I have, no place. I will write here. For problem later we will see. This continuation is here. Now 1 by 8 I will write first term as it is. Whole thing divided by 1 by 4 there. You have learned this type of division where in both numerator and denominator you have fractions. When you have so, how do you solve this, children? You will write the numerator fraction as it is, change this divided by symbol to multiplication, and whatever the fraction is there in the denominator, take the reciprocal of it and write here. So, 1 by 4 and I2, 4 by 1 I2, 4 ones are 4 twos are, which is simply 1 by 2 is the answer. Hope you understood. Next we have third question. 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. We already have fractions. To that fractions you have common power, that is minus 2 and minus 2 children. If you observe, base values are different andre a by b, but exponents are same andre it is not of the, isn't it of the form of a by b whole power m? Then I can write it as a power m divided by b power n. For each term a and b values are different, so be careful when you write. Now this 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 is nothing but 1 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 2 plus, if I apply minus 2 here, 1 to the power minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 to the power minus 2 by 4 to the power minus 2. So, now to make these numbers as positive exponents, I send this 1 power minus 2 with negative exponent to the denominator so that it will become positive exponent. I will send this 2 to the power minus 2 to the numerator so that it will become positive exponent. I am making them positive exponent. How? Negative in the positive agata, positive in the negative agata when you interchange numerator and denominator. So 2 to the power 2 plus 2 agata, 1 to the power plus 2 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 1 square, 4 square by 1 square, it will become by changing the negative exponents to positive exponents. In the denominator, if you observe, you have 1 square throughout. 1, how many ever times you multiply also, you get 1 only, the product as 1. So you can neglect the denominators and only simplify the numerators. Numerator what? So what do we get is just 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. This step you should write below. I will write it beside a step. What is 2 square children? 4. Plus what is 3 square? 9. Plus what is 4 square? 16. When you add them up, 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29 is the answer. That is about third problem. Fourth problem I will solve for you. Before that, fifth one let me solve. Question seems to be difficult if you look, but it is very easy to simplify children. In the square bracket, you have the fraction minus 2 by 3 and it has negative exponent minus 2. Again you have flower bracket, whole raised to the power 2. How do you solve is, don't go to touch minus 2 by 3, the fraction inside the small bracket for now. Keep it as it is. Now, this is of the form a power m whole power n andre. It is equal to a to the power mn, which law of exponent andre you should write here inside. Now, minus 2 into 2 is clearly minus 4. So, we got minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 4. Now, again this division, if you observe, you have different bases a and b but common power m. So, what is a to the power m divided by b to the power m andre? Sorry, a by b whole to the power m formal ide andre, that is equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Since the given question is in the form of LHS, we have to write its simplified form in the form of RHS andre. You apply this power minus 4 both to numerator and denominator separately. So, minus 2 to the power minus 4 divided by 3 to the power minus 4 we get. In order to make both the exponents as positive, send minus 3 to the power minus 4 to the numerator so that it will become 3 to the power 4. Send minus 2 to the power minus 4 to denominator so that it will become minus 2 to the power plus 4. So, next step will be ಇದು numerator ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ 3 to the power minus 4. So it will become 3 to the power plus 4. Minus 2 to the power minus 4 if I send to the denominator. Children, one more thing, there is possibility of you committing mistake. ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ minus 2 to the power minus 4 when you are sending, the sign of the base number remains the same. That will not change from minus to plus. Only the exponent's power will change. Please keep in mind, this is very important. Okay, so I am writing minus 2 as it is. The sign of the base does not change by sending it from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. Only the exponent power will change. So, minus 2 to the power minus 4 becomes minus 2 to the power 4. 3 to the power minus 4 will be 3 power 4. Now, write 3 4 times. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 divided by minus 2 4 times, like minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3 is 81. 3 to the power 4 is 81. Directly also you can write, you need not show this. Minus 2 4 times to the power 4 andre sign minus 2 hogi plus 2 agutte. Why? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, again minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 81 divided by 16 is the answer. So like this you will have to simplify. Fourth problem I cleaned already. So what I do is, children, I will take your textbook and write the fourth question. It is very simple question. It is in next page. 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0 is given. Whatever the power is given, let us apply them individually to all the terms. Like this. 3 power minus 1 whole to the power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power minus 1 to the power 0. In the next step, if you multiply them, 3 powers if you multiply, this is of the form a power m whole power n. Now you write one step. A power m whole power n is nothing but a to the power m into n. Using this law, we get 3 to the power minus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 0 is again 0, 5 to the power minus 1 into 0 is again 0. We already know any number to the power 0 is 1. So 3 power 0 no 1, 4 power 0 no 1, 5 power 0 no 1. 1 plus 1 is clearly 3 is the answer. That is about the fourth question. So this completes the third main of this exercise. Still we have four more mains which are very easy like this. We shall do it in next.